I am in Thessaloniki at the moment, and I contacted this motorbike shop about 2 months ago. I know them because I did some orders for the bike, and well, I can service my bike here, which is really good after 2,500–3,000 k's. Good service. And now it's a lot better. I'm very happy. Just the chain, oil change, spark plug change, well, handlebar grips all new, so I'm happy for the next few thousand k's. Yesterday when I went to Thessaloniki, I spotted a train cemetery. I went to the shop from Nick. I went there first. I did a service on my bike. Today I went back to the train cemetery for some droning and do some camera work. I never seen anything like that before in my life. It's so cool. So what you see here, that's only one row of trains, and you think that's it, but from the top, from above, you see something different, and there are so many of them, and it goes all the way over there as far as you can see, and there's so many of them, so many. It's huge. So there's nothing in here, they're just abandoned trains. Hundreds of them. And a fig tree. Yummy, figs.